So now what we need to do is that we need to get these variables and display them in our application. But in order to display them, what we want to do is that we want to create an item, because this is a list. Remember, here in the KV file, we have here MD list, and this list takes items. So for each single article, we need to create an item. So what I'm going to do is that .kv, and then I'm going to create a new element here. At the top here, I'm going to create a new element. So here at the top of the KV file, I'm going to create a new element called list item with icon. Here I'm going to say list item with icon. And then this list item with icon is going to have an image. So I'm going to say here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to use the image left widget. Image left widget. And then the source of the image 1, 2, 3, 4. The source of the image is going to be the root source. So we need to use this source in order to display the image. And if you are wondering what is the image left widget, this image left widget is a class given by Kivy, by the Kivy library. And it's going to display an image on the left side for each single item. And the list item with icon is a widget that I have created. But this list item with icon should extend a class. It should extend a class given by the KV library. So we need to create that class. So here I'm going to say class, and then list item with icon. And we need to extend here the class that's gonna extend. What is the class that this class should extend? Well, the class that this class should extend is called the three line avatar list item. So here what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna say three line avatar with list item. So this is going to this class three line avatar list item is going to let you display 3 lines with avatar. So we need to import it here with the import. So at the top of this file, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import this class from the KV library. So at the top, we need to say here, we need to say kvmd theming import, and then we need to import the 3 line avatar list item. So this list item exists in the, let me here type it, from KV UIX screen list UIX list. So I'm gonna say kvmd dot UIX dot list, and then import, and then what we want to import is that we want to import the three we want to import the 3 line avatar with 3 line avatar list item. So now we have this class imported that is going to extend the 3 line avatar list item. And finally, what we want to do is that we want to access the source. So I'm going to say here source. So the source is going to be equal to string property. It's going to be equal to string property property. So what is this string property? This string property is going to allow me to make reference to the source of the image. So we need to import the string property as well. So at the top, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import the string property. So I'm going to say here from KV properties, kv.properties properties import string property. And now we have this class and we can access the source. So here in the string property, what we want to do is that we want to access the source. We want to access the image, which is of a type string. So here I'm going to say string. So the source, this source is this one. is this source of the image. And the reason why I made it a string is because I want to kind of inject an image here in this image later.